Assalamualaikum. I hope you're doing great. Welcome to the lesson number 10 of our second module. And in this lesson, I'm going to tell you 5 golden rules to increase English vocabulary in only 21 days. I am challenging you for 21 days, and I'm sure you'll be able to complete this challenge. So, the 5 golden rules are: first is learn in real context. The second one is limit to 5 to 8 new words per day. Number 3 is use spaced repetition. Number 4, create and use actively every single day. Number 5 is track and celebrate progress. Now these are the 5 golden rules जो हम इस लेसन में पढ़ेंगे, समझेंगे, and I hope कि ये 21 डेज़ आपके लिए बिल्कुल परफेक्ट हो. अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट रहेंगे तो ही आप इस 21 डेज़ का ये चैलेंज जो है वो आप पूरा कर सकेंगे. एंड सो लेट्स जस्ट मूव विद द गोल्डन रूल्स. फर्स्ट गोल्डन रूल इज़ टू लर्न इन अ रियल कॉन्टेक्स्ट. हमें वर्ड्स को आइसोलेटेड कॉन्टेक्स्ट में नहीं पढ़ना, ठीक है, उनको सेपरेटली नहीं पढ़ना, बल्कि उनकी मीनिंग को, उनके कॉन्टेक्स्ट को, उनके एग्जाम्पल्स को देख कर पढ़ना है. वी हैव टू पिक वर्ड्स फ्रॉम आर्टिकल्स, वीडियोज़, सॉन्ग्स और कॉन्वर्सेशंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you are reading news, okay, and in that news you see a word which is overwhelmed. Now this word is very new to you, ठीक है, आपने कभी इस वर्ड को नहीं ना देखा है ना सुना है और आपको ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा है. You choose this word, ठीक है, या वर्ड देखो and then use this word in a sentence. She felt overwhelmed by the workload. आप न्यूज़ में जिस सेंटेंस में वो वर्ड यूज़ किया गया है वो वर्ड देखो, अगर उसमें से कुछ सेंस समझ आ रहा है तो ठीक है, well and good, you're really good at understanding these things. If not, then it's completely fine. Go to Google, search the meaning of the sentence as well, and you'll get to know what does the word mean and how do we use this word in different contexts, in different situations. ओके, फिर आपको इसका फुल फ्रेज भी नोट करना है और मीनिंग भी नोट करके रखनी है. ओवरवेल्म्ड का मतलब है टू मच टू हैंडल, मीन्स टू मैनी फीलिंग्स at the same time. Okay. Second rule is limit to 5 to 8 new words per day. कोई इतने ज़्यादा words पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You have to keep it short. You have to keep it small. So you can be limited to 5 to 8 new words only per day. But you have to choose very high frequency and useful words. ऐसे नहीं कि आपको जो words आते हैं आप वही choose कर रहे हैं. बिल्कुल जो new words हैं आपको वो choose करना है. That can include emotions, opinions और daily life. इनके हिसाब से different words हो सकते हैं. For example, today's 5, overwhelmed, thrilled, procrastinate, reliable and bargain. अब मैंने आज के आपको 5 words दे दिए. Go after this lecture, sit down and write down the meanings, the sentences, and where you can use these words in your notebook and memorize these words. Okay, you have to avoid 50 random words because otherwise the brain forgets. Okay, you have to avoid random and very easy words. You have to choose these kind of words. Third rule is to use spaced repetition. For example, day 1 you'll learn, day 2 is for quick recall, day 4, then day 7, and then day 14, and then day 21. You have to go on step by step. अब इसके कुछ tools कैसे होते हैं? Free N की app है, Quizlet है, और even a simple notebook with dates. Okay, you have to keep progress of your journey, of your challenge. You have to review it every day. For example, day 4 is the test. So what does procrastinate mean? You have to recall it and you have to say the sentence. Okay, you have to test yourselves. Okay, coming to the fourth golden rule, which is create and use actively every single day. You have to make your own sentences. अगर आप ऐसा करते हो कि आपको कोई न्यू वर्ड मिला है एंड आप उसका सेंटेंस AI से बनवा कर रख देते हो अपने पास, तो वो सेंटेंस आपके दिमाग में नहीं रुकेगा. द ब्रेन विल फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. But if you make your own sentence, if you think on your own, you make your own sentence, you build it on your own, आपको वो sentence, वो word, वो meaning खुद याद रहेगी. And you have to say that out loud as well. For example, the word is thrilled. तो उसका sentence आपने क्या बनाया? I am thrilled about my new English progress. For example, this sentence is made by you. Now you have to speak it 3 times a day. भले मिरर के सामने हो या फिर you are recording a video of yourself or an audio, you have to speak this sentence. Say, I am thrilled about my new English progress. Good. Now the 5th rule is track and celebrate progress. Keep a journal with you. You can name it Word Win Journal, and you can note the words, the meanings, and the phrases in that notebook. Or for example, you have used reliable in chat with a friend, that's a +1 win. अपने आप को points दो, अपने आप को marks दो. And then after 7 days, you have to reward yourself. You have to treat yourself, be it a chai or a coffee break, or you can even do something more. So these are the golden rules which are a part of a challenge and will help you to achieve fluency. So right now, pause the video for only a few minutes. Pick 5 new words for today, for example, from reading, from news, any application, from social media even. For example, curious, frustrated, efficient, hesitate, generous. अब ये कुछ 5 वर्ड्स हैं. मैंने आपको पहले भी 5 वर्ड्स दिए, आज भी यहाँ पे भी 5 वर्ड्स दिए. You can choose either of them. You have to search out their meaning, their context, their sentences. You don't have to find their sentences, you have to make their sentences, okay? And again, in 5 words के आपको खुद को sentences बनाने हैं, again real life, or say them out loud 3 times so that you can memorize it. So for 7 days, what you'll do is you will learn, you will make sentences, and you will speak daily. Make it as a daily habit. And then 8 to 14 days, you will be adding spaced reviews, and you will be using those words in your WhatsApp or family conversation and with your friends. And then the last part of the challenge, 15 to 21 days, you will be testing yourself and you will be celebrating for learning over 100 new words. How amazing would that be, right? Thank you so much. I hope it was an encouraging lesson, and I will see you in the next lesson. Till then, bye. Don't forget your homework.